Hello, my name is Danielle Washburn, High School Digital Innovation Leader for JCPS. This year, so we can follow all of the awesome things that you are doing in your classroom, we will be using the hashtag JCPS codes. So, what is Hour of Code? Hour of Code is a 1 hour introduction to computer science. This year, Computer Science Education Week is December 3rd through 9th. The purpose behind Hour of Code is that every single student should have the opportunity to learn computer science. That means all of your students in your building will experience coding for 1 hour. It helps nurture those problem solving skills, logic, and creativity skills that we want all of our students to have. By starting early, students will have a foundation for success in any 21st century career path. First, computer science is foundational. Every student should have the chance to learn about algorithms, how to make an app, or how the internet works. Our students are using cell phones, iPads, and laptops, but it will be awesome if they know how these devices work. Computer science teaches those foundational skills on how devices work. This is a fact from code.org, and it states that 90% of parents want their child to study computer science, but only 40% of schools teach computer programming. So you can see the gap between parents wanting their children to learn computer science, but only 40% of our schools teach computer science. And it can start with 1 hour of code. If we also talk about the diversity problem, that starts in K through 12. So only 1 in 4 girls, when they move on from high school, college, university, they are employed in the tech field. So women who try AP Computer Science in high school are 10 times more likely to major in it. Starting with 1 hour of code, we can close the gap between male and female students. Hour of Code. To get started, you can go to hourofcode.org. As you see, there are activities for all grade levels. You will see pre-reader, grades 2 through 5, 6 through 8, and 9 plus. In addition, these activities are designed for over 45 different languages. So for our ELL students, this is something possible for them as well. So students can learn by self-guided. That means that you can give them an activity to do. They can also learn by teacher-led activity. You can lead the entire class through one activity, or what we like to call unplugged activities. So this means that you do not have to have technology to code. There are activities that the teacher can lead with those students without technology. And you can go to this website, code.org/curriculum/unplugged, to view those activities. As a reminder, activities are for K through 12, so there are activities for all grade levels. So what does Hour of Code in your school look like? First, you do want to register on Hour of Code website, and that website is hourofcode.com. Once you have registered, you have officially become an Hour of Code event. Next, you do want to start hosting events at your school. As a reminder, we want to get all students, all staff in your building experiencing Hour of Code. You may want to think about involving community partners. So you may want to invite the community into your building while your students are experiencing Hour of Code. You may want to even think about inviting the parents of guardians. These events can happen before school, during school, or after school. As a reminder, we want to follow all of the awesome things that you are doing in your school, so please use the JCPS codes hashtag so we can follow you. So what do you need to do now? Register on the Hour of Code website and start those activities with your students today. Lastly, Tweet out using hashtag JCPS codes so we can follow all of the awesome things that you all are doing. Thank you all for your time. I know you are excited about Hour of Code. I cannot wait to see all of the awesome things that are happening in your building. Please do not hesitate to reach out to myself, Danielle Washburn, for support. Thank you.